Hi guys, good morning. So, what is Christmas bringing gifts into your life? So, let us see what are your Christmas gifts for Zen Z kids and 2K kids. What are the Christmas gifts for you from the universe? So, let us see what are the Christmas gifts for you Zen Z kids and 2K kids from the universe. So, cards may have all the gifts through these cards. So, what are the gifts for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from the universe? So, what are the gifts for Christmas from the universe for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the gifts from the universe for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the gifts from the universe for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the gifts from the universe for Gen Z kids and 2K kids for this Christmas? What are your Christmas gifts for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from the universe? What are the Christmas gifts for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from the universe? What are the Christmas gifts for the 2K kids and Gen Z kids from the universe? Wow, all your dreams coming true. So let us see what are the gifts for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from the universe. Let us have it like this so that if we expand also, we can see them fully. I hope now it's much more clear. So, first card is Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is like this is your, how to tell, this is your mind, brain, and higher self. This all has to come to the center point of alignment, which is your divine self. I think you can see this is your mind, this is your brain, this is your higher self. Center, one small pentacle is there now. That is the divine self. So all your thought conflicts has to dissolve and it has to come to the self alignment. So when does thought conflicts arise? Your mind is wishing to live something, your heart, that is your brain, is not allowing to live you. It is keeping on manipulating you, it is keeping on threatening you, and it is telling all the negative points. The world will reject you if you happen to manifest your dream into reality, and your brain is not allowing you to live your dreams in reality. Live mind's dream in reality, but mind wants to live only its dreams in reality. So brain and mind, this conversation keeps on going. This is actual thought conflict. Okay, so this is actual selfishness of the brain. Okay, so when will the self alignment happen? Self alignment will happen when the brain realizes what I'm doing is wrong, and I have to treat my mind with compassion. So whatever mind is wishing to live, it has taken birth only to live that, and body is given for a soul and soul is not given for a body. I have to understand this truth, and it completely surrenders to the divine and accepts. Self acceptance is born and self love is born. After that all the self alignment happens. Okay, so this is number one gift for you for Christmas. Okay, so you are coming into self alignment. So you are watching more YouTube videos, or you're reading more of articles, you're searching in Instagram for self alignment and learning what are all their information is there in net about self alignment, because you want to come to self alignment. You don't want to have thought conflicts. Whatever you have as a dream, you want to manifest them in reality and live your life. Okay, So next card is Knight of Cups. So Knight of Cups is somebody's arrival in your life. It is an invitation for you, or so many new opportunities are opening up in your life. It is a new proposal. This could be a love proposal, or this could be a partnership proposal, or this could be a friendship proposal, or this could be an invitation plus proposal for higher studies. Whatever it is, it is a different way of unique way of proposal and presentation in front of you, where a person arrives in front of you and proposes you. It's a very creative and innovative proposal. So this is also a blessing coming into your life. Okay, whomever it could be, universe can put anybody into your life and give this gift to you. And this is progress in your life. So wherever you were stuck still now, from this Christmas onwards, you will march forward, because nowhere it is seen that a chariot is moving backwards. This is chariot card. Okay, chariot always moves only forward, or else it will stand stagnant. It will never go back. Okay, this chariot has an yin and yang component. So now we are learning to balance your positive and negative. Okay, you are learning to ground yourselves. You are learning to be in that positivity and live in that positivity itself. Okay, you are learning to balance both. You have tamed the beast, and you are always on the positive side, and you have learned to maintain this balance and live in harmony, and now you are marching forward in complete positivity as a self motivated person. This is also the blessings coming for Zen Z kids and 2K kids from this Christmas onwards. Now you are in a crossroads. Okay, crossroads of what? Deciding whether you want the socially conditioned life or your dream life. Do you want to live according to the fate, or do you want to reach your destiny? So now you are in crossroads to decide only one. You can decide only one. But at the present moment, at the present situation, you are not able to decide anything. So you walked away from what all is draining you, and you are sitting in a very calm peaceful place. That's what she's sitting as. She's sitting in the seashore. Okay, and you're listening to the water flow. That water flow sound will be there. Now it is giving peace of mind to you, and you completely relaxed and calmed down yourselves, and now your nerves are down. You are not nervous, you are not anxious, now completely relaxed. Now you have the both the options in front of you, and you're in a crossroads. You have to decide. Now you sit very peacefully, very calm with your own self. You communicate with your heart space, with your higher self. So whatever your higher self is guiding you, telling you, you go with that decision, and obviously it is going to be to choose your dream life in reality. Okay, so next is star card. The star card means all your dreams coming true. So you would have come into this reading, okay, with some intention. If not, why you will you click into this reading? Okay, so that intention for what you came into this reading, it is a big tick mark, and the answer is yes. Okay, so and one more thing is, in a reading, if a star card or sun card comes, it is always a positive thing for you, positive reading for you. And star card is like all your dreams coming true. Okay, so you are working upon them, and all your dreams are going to come through from this Christmas. And star card is also like healing journey. So you will go, you will learn about all the chakras, you will learn about inner child trauma, inner feminine trauma, inner masculine trauma, how to heal that, and all the three chakras, how to heal all the three chakras, and how to activate all the seven chakras, and how to unite the chakra at your heart, how to activate the heart chakra. All these things you will learn. So this is going to be your blessings. This is going to be the gift you are getting as a gift from this Christmas from the universe. Okay, so now let us see what is your spirit wants to tell you. What message, divine message, does your spirit have? What does your spirit wants to tell you, convey you? So let us see what does your spirit wants to tell you. What is that spirit wants to tell you? What message does your spirit have for you? Challenges or opportunities? What messages does spirit has for you? What messages does your own spirit has for you? I trust my gut. Okay. So even in this picture, it is butterfly. So the transformation also has to happen. Okay. So let us see what is your higher self guiding you. So this is your higher self's message for you. Heal your inner feminine by forgiving your mother for the times she let her own path manifest into yours. That means please forgive your mother for, because she herself didn't know it is a toxic path, so she also molded you like same like her only. So now you have grown up, you are spiritually awakened, you know that this is all toxic to you, and she still now she does not know this is a toxic pattern. Okay, so when she knows something and she does a mistake, it is like a mistake blunder. She didn't even know it's a mistake, she didn't even think it is a mistake, and she did it with all her soul and heart, thinking that she's doing out of affection. So it's now your turn to forgive your mother, and you be awakened person, spiritually awakened person, and you keep following whatever you want to follow. Okay, you learn about self forgiveness and forgiving others. Do not carry that grudge. Okay, so now let us see what is your romance angels advice for you. Okay, so now let us see what is your romance angels advice for you. See, forgiving and learning, this is what I was telling you now. As you release and beat the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Okay, so release your past, let go of what does not serve your highest good. Don't keep punishing yourself by holding on to the grudges. So let us see what is your next romance angel message, which is coming for Christmas for Zenset kids and 2K kids. What is this romance angel advice for Zenset kids and 2K kids? Trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. See, even though in this journey you don't know all the answers, you need not have to know all the answers, but still you have to have the trust in the divine, and you have to keep marching forward. That is what is this card telling you. So, what are all the gifts for Zen Z kids and 2K kids for Christmas? It's all here. So, now let us meet in some other reading, like for 2K kids, what is the job opportunities, finances and careers waiting for you, and how will be your future. All these let us do readings for 2025 for 2K kids and ZZ kids. Until then, bye.